clicks but no sales from your Pinterest ads, you're probably attracting the wrong audience. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to set up your campaign so you stop attracting mood board builders and don't have to waste your money on people who are never going to purchase or going to purchase in the far, far future. Pinterest has two completely different audiences. The first one is people who are coming to the platform because they want to kind of build their virtual mood board, or vision board, and they are coming to the platform having this like all these different vision boards or mood boards, and they are just saving pins in there. Then there's the second group who are coming to the platform because they are searching for a product, searching for a solution, or searching for solutions around a certain problem. And if you are attracting that first group, what you're going to be seeing in your ad dashboard is that you are getting some pin clicks, you are getting some outbound clicks, but just no sales. And the biggest pointer is got your saves. So the saves, the engagement is going to be so high. A ton of people are saving your pins. They're saving it in their own boards, but nobody is actually buying. And this is a telltale sign that basically you're targeting people who are building their vision or mood board. And we know that saving a pin is a very strong indicator that people are willing to do a purchase in the future, but you're very likely going to be saved with 20 other brands on somebody's mood board. And they might, we have no idea when they're going to convert to a purchase in the next coming 5 years or so. So what we much rather do is target that second group of people who are actually coming to the platform to search for a very specific product. The thing is that most brands think that more traffic just basically equals sales, and Pinterest proves that wrong very quickly because you want to revolve your ads around showing up in front of those people who are showing search intent. The biggest difference between the traffic that you actually want to attract is that it revolves basically around search intent. You want to target those people who are using the search bar to find a gift for mom or a thoughtful gift for Mother's Day, who are looking for a very specific solution, like ache on the heel when running or something. And if your product is going to show up when they're doing that search, they are so ready to actually open their wallet and purchase that product that you are offering them. So what you can see now is that if you're doing broad targeting, you're going to attract a ton of top of funnel traffic, but they are going to need so much more time before they're converting, and they have that very long cycle. If you're very specifically targeting very niche, you're going to see a much shorter cycle, like the purchasing cycle on the conversion window is going to be much shorter. But also you're not going to be wasting so much money on people who are basically building their mood boards and might purchase somewhere in the far future. Because you can, I want to bet my money on it, when they're ready to do the purchase, they're going to use that search term on Pinterest first and then later go back to their mood board. So people are always looking for something new and something specific. And that's why you want to use this strategy rather than targeting people very broadly based only on interest or very broad keywords. So the thing is that Pinterest ads usually don't just fail because of their ad creatives. They very often fail because they're just targeting the wrong people. If your campaigns start with very specific keywords that you know your audience is using on Pinterest, and you're targeting you're using your bestseller to sell to them, Pinterest is going to very quickly know or learn what your ideal customer is and how to target them. And if you're going to be starting broad, there's a very big chance that Pinterest is going to optimize for that saving engagement, because people are engaging, they're saving your pins, and that is a very positive signal for Pinterest. But it's not for you, because you're not getting, saves don't equal sales. So you're not seeing anything in your own wallet or an increase in your revenue. So once you start attracting the right traffic, I still see that the next problem very often is the campaign structure. And that's what we're going to talk about in the next video. So you don't have to waste your money, and you can basically set up your campaigns in a very easy, clean way to make the most of that Pinterest traffic and see way more sales than when you're just setting up one campaign in this way. So I'll see you in the next video.